It's very good for me. I will. This is second bicycle trip this year. It's very nice. So if I see how long I bicycle this day, but it's not so short. I will take this down there. But you know, if you don't have it, if you have some to spend on the bicycle, buy this bicycle kit. Because you know, in Sweden, the electric bicycle costs from something like 20,000 and up to 30,000 and more. Now you can get the electric bicycle very cheap, maybe 15,000, maybe. But this is down here, to here. But you know, I don't know. I think maybe quality is not the best. I don't know. But for me, I have paid 9,000 for this bicycle kit, electric kit. And it's not, it's very easy to fix it yourself. It's not special. It's very easy. So now I get as a sun tree. I feel that because maybe it's not so much for you some look at here, this movie, but you hear my you know. So I must try to. Oh my God! Yes. I heard a bird. Hear the bird. It's very nice. Very nice. The spring is here. The spring is here. It's very nice. No, I don't like winter. It's very bad for me. But it can't not be too warm also. It's not good for me that too. So it's not good for me that too. Yeah, it'll be a long trip today too. And I go down here, I take down this assistance. It's very nice trip. Yeah, you see, I have 25 there because this is Sweden, and in this country you don't allow to have more speed than 25 in bicycle, you know. And the motor cannot be more than 250 watts. And I have this front wheel motor. I have. So you see, I don't bicycle, but it's not because of motor, because I have setting on 0 in the motor. It's not motor now. That is going down this. And very nice for me. I can look at everything and see, you know. I don't know, is something black? It's not. This mirror is not good. I want to buy some other better mirror. I can take up as the stand one here now. I feel it's going more up. So I will bicycle a little because it's fitness is very good for me. But if you it's very nice to come out and bicycle. I sold my car because I don't use it. Because I trouble will go out in the winter. I use a special mask. Then I go 200 meters to the shop from where I live. Not 400, maybe 100 something over the park there. Then I come to this, you see, I go up to the 5, on to the 3, gear 3, and assistant 5. You see, very, very heavy there. It's very heavy. I will take a 4 maybe. Say 4, I go 5. 5 I get up. And you see, 19 past 8. And this, you know, I don't get the trouble with my lungs, I think. And this is very heavy. Maybe you don't see that in the movie, but